Dubai shit, Dubai whips.
Sad dudes, just got into Dubai's hotel. What's it called, Sahab?
It's called Atana Hotel.
Atana Hotel.
Yeah, shout
Not gonna
out
lie.
my guy Abby at the reception, man. Really boss us, man. Really done us well, fam.
Man's talking like you're being looked at right now. Now you're being looked at.
What? Well, you're not pointing the thing at me?
Clearly not.
Bro, I'll take the
camera's looking on.
I'll take the camera and I'll point it somewhere where it's not meant to go, bro.
Yeah. Listen, this hotel, I'm not gonna lie, it's very nice. We got our 3 beds all sorted out. Look at this space. No joke, 4 of me could stand this way.
4?
4 of me. If there was no table here, 4 of me.
Maybe 2. Man, got waiting for us, man. Pancakes on top of
Yeah,
pancakes.
we're gonna get food.
Pancakes.
We're gonna get all that food, man. It's gonna be good.
Like, have you slept?
No.
I haven't slept.
Listen, I woke up. When did you wake up?
When,
Early in the morning.
Yeah, maybe like 8 o'clock.
Woke up early in the morning, like 8, 9 o'clock. That's not really early in the morning. What time is it now?
8 o'clock in Dubai.
And what time is it in the UK? Maybe like 6 hours behind.
3 hours behind now.
3, 4 hours behind, something like that.
No, they're 3 hours behind.
Okay, they're a time period behind. We ain't gone to sleep yet. That's all good, I guess. Nowhere's opened. Actually, very few places are
I
open.
hope it's open, fam.
I hope maybe it's open. I don't even know about that place anyway.
Your bed.
Yeah, stop putting your feet on my bed. But anyway, it's gonna be good. Edition. Look at this hotel. Yeah, I'm on. Alright, we just got to this mall, shopping mall. Kind of A1 looking shopping mall. Let's just do a quick little spin. It's only gonna focus on me, but you can see what I'm talking about. How you guys doing? There's no one there. Oh, you guys, where are we eating? Quick question, where are we eating? Is that IHOP you said? Zoom and focus. Come on. I won't even control it. Oh yeah, look at that beautifulness he's doing on his own. Hey guys, slow down man, wait for me. Flipping heck. Next floor. Oh, look at this. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Too bad I ain't got the glasses on right now. And then me.
Who?
And then me.
I already did that in Barcelona.
You had the ridiculousness. Can you believe? That is so dead. This is actually so mad, you know. Look, there's a Shake Shack right here. There's Burns Cookies, Costas. Hey Jay, just for you. Guess what that says? That be saying tortillas. Tortillas. And then down here is IHOP. Man, this is crazy. IHOP. And all of this is halal. Oh, McDonald's. Guess what that is? Halal. We've decided to eat at IHOP and we're looking through the menu and it is full of stuff I don't normally order. All of these pancakes, all of these things, I want to order one of everything. It's got sandwiches, it's got toasties, not toasties, what are they called? Sandwich, melties, that's it. And these man just getting basic shit.
You better
get him.
I was like basic. You didn't get basic. Hey, this nigga tired, fam. Hey, this nigga tired. Yo, Kong Tai. It's like we're good in it. We're good right. We're chilling. We're cooling right about now, fam. Just eating.
Hey
chilling.
man, don't get all you can eat.
This boy's finished. Listen, certain man like me, yeah, ain't slept like 24 hours and we're energetic right about now. You get me? Like, it's a holiday and then like, we're enjoying ourselves. Certain man are not. Nothing. Nothing.
Bro doesn't remember this day, I swear.
And bro doesn't remember. How can he sound so fresh there? Bro doesn't remember this day when he... How much you pay for the glasses? £300? How much you pay for the meal? £300?
I'm looking to knock out on that actually.
I thought he's gonna knock me out.
How did that think?
Anyway, back to this guy. He's tired. He's tired. This guy's cute, bro. Obviously, we just touched on Dubai and we're obviously in a hotel now. Certain amount of tired than that, yeah. This is the moment in life here where you ask key questions. You ask the good spots to eat. What's the activities you do around here? What does Zakaria Mahmood ask? What does Zakaria Mahmood ask? He asks, is there confidential bit?
That requires so much context to how you're everything.
My guy Abby was looking at him, yeah, and he gave him a date.
They don't even know who Abby is. Who's Abby?
Where's any last words? Any last words? Listen, YouTube, you're watching this and think I'm being mean, yeah. The only reason I'm doing this is because, yeah, I was trying to enjoy Avengers on.
Yeah, but you know I'm recording? Because of this beautiful place. Look at that
Exactly.
shit, man, right there. Oh, that's a beautiful place. I'll take a photo after this video, man. I'll take a photo after this video,
man. Certain man messed up with the Uber, so we have to walk like an hour.
Yeah, do you know what certain man are? Certain man is this one over here, right here. Flipping Sahar, you made us walk 1,100 meters.
1100 and 1100, 500 mile. I'll walk
This is what you
500
call
miles.
1,100 waist, man. I think there's a bit of football. There's that climbing area down there. Like, there, I can hear like 3 different adhans at the same time. Adhan's basically called to prayer. And then this, we've been walking on for the last, I don't know how long, yeah. But there's something about it where this is so much more comfortable compared to this. I don't know, man, it's awesome. I'm sure you guys can see it right now. It's gotten quite dark.
Walking, 1 hour later, we're still walking.
And again, this guy is to blame, but it's fine, Sahar. So the next mark, 2800. Flippin' heck, man. It should just be around that corner, but I guess we'll find out.
Finally.
I think we finally made it.
Look, so
It is what it is. Oh, soaked. Decent walk. Appetite. Ready to go. This masjid already looks kind of made. Probably one of the first times a lot of these people will see a masjid. Might as well get a good glimpse of this masjid. Imagine praying Jummah in this place. That'd be nice. Chandelier feels cool in here. I like this. Murderson, you like this? I guess he does. Well, squad, welcome to the knife or knife. Going this way. Let's go this way. Man, like Sahal's gonna buy some thobes, khamis. Thobe, and then I use the English S to make it plural if you want.
S because he's a shit guy.
It's a good thing I didn't say anything like T. Would have made it easier for you. I don't know, maybe.
Yeah, Dubai shit, Dubai whips, different place.